him! Brian!
What, Mom?
Use the hatchet!
Why?
Take it!
Okay.
Use it well!
Bye,
May the
Mom.
force be with you.
Mom, just give me. Bye, Mom. It's okay. We'll just be gone a while, like 3 weeks. This plane ride's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to see my dad.
Oh, trust me. I've read the book. It doesn't end very well.
This is a cool plane ride.
Yeah, it is. Hey, do you want to learn how to fly?
That's what pilots are for. I'm not a pilot.
Okay, well, put your hands on the...
Fine.
Okay, yep, your task driver said now go buy your own plane and crash.
What are all the buttons for?
Stuff. Some of them even I don't know.
How come once is dump?
I don't know. Speaking of dump...
Oh,
Smelt it, dumped it.
you just farted.
I did not.
How is that even? We both know that you farted.
I did not.
What?
Man. Oh, it really hurts. Must have been the chili cheese burritos.
Hey, Macarena.
Fluffy banana!
Yeah, tower control. My pilot's not doing so well.
That's my emu! Give me my emu!
Yeah, this was certified as an emergency. You still there? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? I'm out of fuel. He just farted. A lot. Like bad fart. Wait. Maybe it's something in the air. Maybe. Yeah. We have to go in for a hard landing. Shelter now! Why can't I find shelter now? I just want shelter. Shelter. Yay. I really need food. I really need food. I need food. Food is the best. Yo, man, I'm a bear. I don't feel so good. Probably those cherry things. I'm thirsty. Water! Meat. Meat so good. So meat party. I thought you were a bear. My mom said I could be anything I wanted. Okay. What for? You want her? Can I touch you?
No.
That's why not.
Run away!
I need something to kill those fool bugs because they're annoying me. I could use my hatchet, but they're way too fast for that. I could make a spear, but where would I get a spear? Ah. Hi. Wait, stay there. It's just me and my walking stick. See, nothing special about this. It's just my walking stick. I just wanted to come and say sorry about that other times. And, well, I need you! Light a fire so I can cook the full bird. Super full bird. I'm not getting spark. I'm gonna go and cut it open. Yay, I did it! Cooking the food, cooking. Oh, yay! Rip the guts out of the full bird!
Where's Brian?
I gotta use this to make a bow to make catching full birds easier. This'll work. Is that a wolf? Moose! 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 No, tornado! A tornado came through and it took everything. Now I gotta start all over. Wait. There must have been a survival pack in the plane. Wait. Yes! Yes! Hey, this is all yes! Eat it! Some chicken. Some water. Some orange fruit mix. A jug of nothing. Some KFC lid. Some foam. Some bottle. Tic Tacs. Bottle. Done. If it still works after being in the water. It works! Living the life. Ugh. This. Emergency transmitter.
Hey, man.
Who are you?
I came here in plane. I heard your emergency transmitter. Would you like something to eat or anything?
What do you think?
No. Yes.
Where's your plane?
Down the.